Hello, boys. Here we are. I got a brand new wagon we can pull behind the tractor that can hold 4 kids. Today, I'm going to put it together, show you what's going on. You can see the base is huge. It's 34 inches by 52. You got the 4 pneumatic tires. You got the axles, the arm, and you got the cage that goes around it, the protection. Anyway, I'm going to put on the axles first, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, there are the axles right there, the 2 rounded ones and all the bolts that go with it. So I'm going to put them on first, and after I do that, I'll be able to put on the tires. So I'll get right back to you when I put them on the frame. Okay, as you can see, I got the 2 axles on. I got to tighten the bolts down, and you see the one on the left is the rear one. It's stationary, and this one here is the front one where you can steer it around. It's going to move, but the wheel's on it. So I'll get done tightening it and go to the next step. Okay, I've tightened all the bolts down for the front and the rear axle. Next, as you can see right here, is the thing I had to put on to the front axle where the arm is going to control it for steering. So I'm going to do that next and get right back to you. Okay, boys, the arm is on, as you can see, or the controlling thing for the arm. You can see that's going to move. The arm's going to connect right here. And that has a double-purpose arm, one that you can pull with a handle, or you can hook up to the back of the tractor without a C-clamp. So the next exciting part is going to be putting the 4 wheels on. Then we'll flip the cart over and add the arm. Okay, boys, the 4 wheels are on. I'm going to take the cart and flip it over. Then I'm going to add the arm to it. Okay, now here's the cart flipped over. There's a control arm on top. I'm going to fasten that to that bracket, but you'll be able to either pull it, steer it, along with either flipping that handle and being able to hook up to the back end of the tractor. After we do that, then we got 4 sides we have to put on. So I'll get right back to you. Okay, there it is assembled, 4 wheels and a handle. The only thing left to do is to add the sides. This thing has sides, so you can sit in there. You got plenty of room. I'll probably add some padding or something in there for you guys, but this is really a heavy-duty cart. I'll show you how to pull it. It's a heavy-duty handle, as you can see, and you can flip this handle, so this part here will connect back to the tractor directly without any C-clamps and just with the pin. But it really rolls good. I mean, it's in pneumatic tires. It's really a solid piece. So I'm going to put the 4 sides on, and then I'll get back to you, see what it looks like, and next time you guys are here, we can take a ride in it. Okay, boys, there you have it. The sides are on. It's ready to rock and roll. I think what I'll do is put some foam at the base there so it's a little bit more comfortable, and we'll adjust accordingly as we go along. But anyway, this thing is huge. I mean, let me get an example. I'll bring the wagon out here and show you a comparison between the wagon and this. Okay, look at the difference. This thing is a lot longer and definitely a lot wider. Look at that. You fit almost 2 wagons in this thing, side by side. Anyway, it's pretty big. Room for 4 kids. Anyway, I think I'm going to hook it up to the back of the tractor, take it for a ride out to the garage to dump the cardboard from the box, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, there it is connected to the tractor. I'm going to take that old cardboard, put it in the back, and bring it to the front, and we'll take it for a ride. Okay, boys, the cardboard's loaded on the back. I'm going to get in the tractor, start her up, pull her out of the garage. Oh, boy. Okay, boys, I'm gonna unload this stuff into recycle, and I'll come back and we'll take a little ride on the property. Okay, now we're gonna take it for a little ride and do a little testing, and that should be it. And next time you guys come, you can test it out with going in the back there. there you have it, boys. We're back in a pole barn. I hope you enjoyed this, and next time when you come, you'll be able to ride in the brand new passenger wagon that I built. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day. Be good. I love you both. Ben, I love you too. Can't wait to get you on this tractor. Anyway, you guys take care. Bye-bye.